Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a mental health awareness course with Mental Health America. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start a mental health awareness course with Mental Health America, begin by visiting their official website. Explore the resources available for mental health programs. Navigate to the section dedicated to training and education. Review the details of the mental health awareness course offered. Make note of the course format and length. Check the prerequisites for enrolling in the course. If applicable, register for an account on the website. Fill out the necessary registration form with your personal information. Submit the registration form to proceed. Once registered, access your account dashboard. Locate the mental health awareness course in your dashboard. Select the course to view more information. Take note of the course start date and materials required. Confirm your availability for the course schedule. If required, complete any preliminary assessments or surveys. Engage with the course materials as they become available. Participate in live discussions or webinars if part of the course. Explore additional resources provided by Mental Health America. Interact with fellow participants for enhanced learning. Upon completion, reflect on what you've learned. Look into opportunities for further training or certification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.